Hey warriors! How are you? Hope you're doing good today. Nga pala, Happy Valentine's! It's a season of love, so spread love and not exaggerated informations. Alam nyo, Valentine's is not just for couples or lovers, but also a time for showing your love for your family, friends, and even yourself. Kaya ikaw, kung may jowa ka, well, ingat ka. Huwag kang mayabang. Kung single ka naman, cheers! Hindi dahilan yan para magpaka-bitter gourd ka this Valentine's. Anyways, napaka-refreshing talaga ng ganitong environment. Sarap maligo. Nakakakalma ng utak. Hi Theo, nakatingin pa eh. This and no pollution. Ay, may pollution pala. Tanging pollution na wala yatang lunas. Mga marites. Poison sa paligid. Ang ganitong klaseng pollution, sagad hanggang buto. Nasa tugo pa yata eh. Mga sugo ni Satanas. Reason of conflicts, hiwalay na mag-asawa and everything. Kaya ikaw, be careful who's using you. Ang Panginoon ba? O si Satan? Bye!